Hi, good morning, guys. So, here I'm again showing you guys the engraver that many of you are asking, or maybe most of you are new to this tool, like how to use, what kind of a burr we are providing with it, and on which kind of a surfaces that you can able to do it. As this question is arising again and again, so that's why I'm here with another video to explain you like how to use these long burrs and what they are for. Like there are three different color bands, as you can see: green, blue and red. I'll show you by opening it. So I'll give the case like this way. So we have green burrs, blue burrs, and then red burrs. Okay, so how to use them, I'll show you that one. But before that, this is the machine which is wireless. You can charge this for 3 hours and it will be working for 10 hours continuously. Okay, so you have on and off knob here. By twisting it, you can on it like here. As you can see that it will be on, and then when I increase, the speed goes increase, as you can see here. Okay, it get increase and decrease like this way. Okay, so this is how the machine work, on and off, and then forward and reverse. Now about the burr, like many people get confused about it. So green burrs are more corrosive burrs, as you can see there with their burr heads. So they are more corrosive, means you can use them on any hard surfaces like metal, like hard glass, thick glass. Then you can also use them for on stones. Okay, like if you want to engrave the agate stones like this kind of thing, so you can do that. Okay, then another thing comes is with the blue burrs, that you can see that we have the different ball heads or the shapes through which you can achieve a different thickness to your engraving. Like if you're doing gothic, if you're doing Spencerian, if you're just normally writing, then you can able to choose any among them to write with proper desired thickness that you want. Like if you want to make something on a watch, then this will be good. If you want to make something delicate, so this small burr heads are really good for that, like red one also. So the corrosiveness increases, like this is corrosive, that we name it as C. Then this is medium burrs, means corrosiveness is medium, and then these are red ones are for the fine corrosiveness, means you can use them on the leather to foil, or you can also use them on very delicate glasses like champagne fluid, or anywhere you wanted to make a very means like if the product is delicate, then you can use the fine burrs. Okay, so don't go for medium or corrosive burrs for that. Again, with the green burrs you can do engraving on any hard surface. For blue one, with blue you can do a same engraving that you can able to do with the green one, but if you want to have, if you want to do it on a little delicate things like wine glass, or maybe on a glass which is less thicker than what we have, like less thickening glasses, then you can use the blue burrs for that, like ceramics, acrylics, or you can also do it on metal also. But yeah, it also for the metals like in hard surface, I always suggest you to go with the green one. Okay, so that's the point here. Now let's begin with here. So I'll on the machine, as you can see I have one green burr attached to it. So how to attach this is very simple. This is lock and unlock. This is lock and unlock symbol is there. By twisting the handle you can lock and unlock. So just put this inside and you have to twist it, and now it's locked, so it will not be removed. So one advantage here that I observe as compared to the short burrs is that your fingers are not very close to the work that you're doing or to the engraving surface, so that way your fingers are getting protected with it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about like whether your finger is touching to the glass, or maybe whether it's touching to the engraving surface, then don't worry about it. And again, the dust produced because of the engraving will not affect your fingers that much as compared to the short burrs. So that's why we have switched to long burrs. These means like this coming season is because of these two things. Okay, so now I'll just start the machines. It will go up to 39. So now I'll show you how green burr works on the metal. So this is the metal surface. want to off the machine, just twist this knob fully and off it. Okay, so it's off. Now you can see the quality of engraving here. So I don't have to do the engraving one more time because it's finished product. As you can see here, it's done properly on the metal. Similarly, if you want to go for this stone, yeah, that's the difficult surface, I know, so we'll go for that. My speed is 32, so let's see. Okay, as you can see, I've done engraving on these things. Okay, similarly you can also do it on the wood, but I always, for wood surface like this or maybe a ceramic surface like this, I always go for blue burr. I never go for this one because these are corrosive, so it might give you a little extra depth, which is not good for the wood. Because if suppose wood is softer, then your burr means like there are chances that your burr will go inside of that, so don't ever do it. So always switch to the blue burrs. So I have this one, so let's try with the blue burrs now. Okay, my speed will be 20. I don't want to make more speed. Why? Because wood surface are soft and hard, so you don't have to increase the speed be above 20 rpm. As you can see here also, how efficiently it will be making that. I'll zoom in a little bit if you want. Okay, so this is zoom part that you can able to see here. Always keep a brush handy so that you can just collect the dust from here. Now you can see that you can also engrave on these kind of woods or wood chips. Okay, I hope you get this. Again, if I want to make it on ceramic cups like this, I know I have this one only at home. So I tried it. My speed is 25 now. Okay, so let's engrave on it. Okay. Can see that, so it should be wavy. So let's fix that one. And always while engraving, don't put your burr like this in 90 degree. No, it's always should be on an angle where you can able to watch what your engraver or what your head portion is doing. Okay, that is really important. So don't take it as like a pen or something like this. No, always keep a one angle and you can able to make that flow of your burr according to it. So never. And again, you can see here I don't have any support at my hand, but still I'm doing it very easily. Is because of the longerness or the length of a burr. If it's short, then I have to be like very close to the work and my fingers may be touching to this surface. But here you can see that I can have that advantage of not touching and I'll be doing really freely things, right? Yeah, okay. I hope you understand how to engrave on these things. So also I have engraved on the metal tip like this way with a green burr, of course, not with the blue one. So this is how you can use your engravers, okay, and the engraving burr. As you can see here, it's wired so you don't have to worry about that. So these are the things that I have engraved in front of you right now with this. And on the glass, you know that we have engraved so many things. And again, there is one little handy tool that we have introduced is the finger brush. Like whenever you wanted to collect the dust, you can easily do it with just by while you are working on this and you feel, so you can just dust it and again you can start with it. So this is like a little addition that really saves my time, because if I wanted to just collect the dust, then I have to stop the machine totally and then I have to do all those stuff with it, right? So that problem is solved because of these tiny brushes. So this is cute, I know. So you can also get it from our website. Okay, I hope you have learned uh, as much as you can with this short tutorial, and I hope all the doubts is cleared. If not, you feel free to DM us for more inquiry and all those things. And best of luck. Thank you. Bye bye.